In this video, we're going to show you how we transformed some old door frames and an old kid's bed into a colourful and playful playhouse.
Up, 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 up.
We used mostly recycled items for this project and enjoyed every bit of this challenge. We began by removing all the old screws and cleaning up the wood. Leon's dad then taught me how to use a new tool, and we began to cut all the wood to size, making sure that each piece matched to correct measurements.
I was getting nervous doing this. It's like the jigsaw all over again.
This is my first time using one of these tools, and I hope I'm doing a good job. So we will create two rectangular shapes for the sides using old door frames and attach them together using large L brackets and many screws.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
These two sides will hold the weight of the playhouse, so it's important that we use strong wood and to make sure we secure them together very well.
All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight.
So this is the bottom of the kid's bed, and we're going to use it at the back of the playhouse.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
I forgot my camera, so everything has to be done on my phone. And I can't really record everything at the same time, so I just want to let you know that this is now the back end. And now we're working on the front. Thank you.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through.
We have to say a big thank you to Yadranka
No limit to what
for feeding us all.
It's
coming together, it's starting to look good. Okay, so we've got 3 different colours that we're going to work with today. They've told me to just do what I want, and I don't really have much inspiration, so I'm going to go online and see what I can find and then just start painting and try and get this knocked out today. Also, they said they're not going to prime it. I would normally prime it, but we're not going to go there today.
While I continue painting, the guys are going to get started on creating the roof.
What? Go away. Ah!
Screw you.
For the roof, we used particle boards which we bought from the shop. Good morning, we are on our way back to finish off the playhouse today. We don't know if Leon's dad has been working on it while we haven't been there, so we're going to go up and just see what he needs help with. And then from what I know, we're going to transfer it to another house where the kids are and then assemble it there, as far as I know. Honestly, we don't really know what we're getting ourselves into. We're just going to show up and see what he needs help with. So I've been trying to figure out how did they plan to bring the whole house to the place. But they had quite a clever idea. They're going to bring it on this. It's like a boat trailer. They're going to stick it on this. This is an old kid's bed that's going to be used on the sides, which I think is a really cute idea. We're using everything, which is amazing. Plan seems to be to use this and lift the house onto here. Ready for this? It's kind of really smart of them. Look at this.
Oh,
We were just about to go and look. We've got a flat tire. We're going nowhere. We're looking for plan B.
Plan B.
Nah. Plan B is working. You hear that? All the air is just going back out. Alright, plan C. We're going to change the tire. Alright, the new one is going in finally, we think. Back in action, huh? We think.
Now is the new challenges ahead. Yo, 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 yo.
If it cracks and falls off, you think it'll go to this side or that side?
It depends where it cracks.
We have some finishing touches to do before we can assemble the house back together, and then it's all done. Are you close enough? Okay. Neon's camera work, huh?
Special effects.
Yeah. We're gonna add an extra plank of wood in the middle here to help stop the wood from dipping inwards. Here we leveled the ground and added some concrete slabs and some bricks to help support the weight. And now we just have to lay the floor and add in a few screws and we should be done. Okay, that's another wrap on day 2 of putting together the playhouse. We're incredibly tired right now. The only things left now to do are like the finishing touches, making it look pretty, fixing off the paint jobs, little bits like this, and then we'll be done finally with this one. But for now we're going home to sleep. Bye. This plastic rooftop was added to help stop the rain from getting in from the gap on the top. A solar powered light has also been added in. It's crazy to think that most of this was made from using an old kid's bed and some door frames. I really hope that this helps to inspire you to get creative with what you have at home. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye!